To get started with the Walmart extension, first, type your search. For example, I will search for men's shoes. Now, press on the extension. Press Extract Listings. As you can see, we extracted the items in this list. To add more, press Add to Export List. Then go to the next page. Then press Add to Export List again. As you can see, the number of items increased. You can do this as many times as you want. To export this, press on the extension. Then press Export. I will export it as HTML. As you can see, here is all the items we extracted. Let's try one more function. Let's press on this shoe. Then we press on the extension. I want to extract the product reviews, so let's do that. First, press Extract Product Reviews. Then press Add to Export List. Then press on the extension again and press Export. Let's export it as HTML. Again, as you can see, here is the data.